Hey guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language in your Microsoft Edge browser, right? So go ahead and find Microsoft Edge on your computer. In my case, I'm going to just simply click on the Windows key and I will have the Edge browser pinned right here. So I'm going to open up Edge right here, guys. And the next thing you want to do is just click on these three dots here in the top right hand side, and then you want to go to settings. Now, once you're there, on the left hand side, you'll find languages in the list here. You want to click on that, and then you will see preferred language option at the top right here. You can go ahead and add languages as you wish, and whatever language you're currently using at the moment, you will be able to see it right here. So currently I have two English, just the basic, and I have the United States one. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a language here. So I'm going to click add languages here, and then I'm going to just simple type English, right? And I'm going to just choose another one. Let's say the Canadian one as well. So let me go ahead and click on that, and then I'm going to click add. Now, once this is added, guys, all you have to do is just simply click on the three dots right here, and you want to do move to the top right here. So once you move this to the top, you will see that Canada is now at the top. Now, once you click on these three dots, you will see that it's now saying display Microsoft Edge in this language. And by seeing this grayed out uncheck, it simply means that this is the one that is in effect at the moment. But I also strongly recommend that you go ahead and close out of Microsoft Edge and reopen it again for it to take effect without any issue whatsoever. Right? So I'm going to go ahead and set what the basic American English, and what I want to do, just simply go ahead and click on it, and you can either move it to the top, or you can just simply go ahead and click display Microsoft Edge in this language. So I'm going to click on this, and as you can see that it is moved to the top by default, and it is now grayed out with the check mark, right? And here it's telling me that I need to restart my browser. So all I'm going to do, just click on restart, and there you see that it is now restarted with the English preferred one that I chose selected. And that's all there is to it, guys. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.